Let me show you how to find infinite copywriting clients on YouTube, because a lot of you people just overcomplicate this process of finding clients. Let's assume that you don't have any idea on what niche you're gonna pick. So you just go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. You ask ChatGPT to give you a list of 30 make money online niches. From this you can pick anyone. Let's say we pick Amazon FBA for this example. Then you enter this prompt like give me a list of 30 keywords to find Amazon FBA content on YouTube. And then you take one of these keywords and paste it in YouTube and search for it. Set the filter upload date to this month because we want people who are posting consistently and who are active. So from here I'm gonna start opening these channels in a new tab, and currently I'm looking at the sub count and how many views they're getting. So usually I like to aim for channels that have between 5k or 50k subs, but it can be a bit higher or lower, and it also depends on the niche. Like there are some niches like crypto, real estate, sales, and even with a small audience these people are printing money. So once I have around 5 to 10 channels, then I'm going to start going through them one by one and see if they're selling any coaching or courses or what their funnel looks like. So for this guy, if you click on this link, it will take you to his free workshop where he will ask you to enter your email. So he has an email list. Maybe we can pitch him on emails. So what you want to do is you sign up to their email list and see for a few days, maybe 3 to 4 days, if they're sending emails to you, and then you pitch them on it. And next, for this channel, she doesn't have a coaching or course, but she is posting consistently on YouTube, and I think she is using that traffic for brand deals and making money with affiliates. So we can pitch her on YouTube scripts. Again, for this channel, he has this free program thing where he will ask you to enter your email. So you can sign up to his email list and see if he's sending emails. For this next guy, he just has a link to his Instagram and he has a coaching program. So he's directly sending people to his VSL from YouTube, but he's posting consistently on YouTube. So again, maybe we can pitch him on YouTube scripts. Then for this channel, she has coaching and courses. She has a proper marketing funnel. So she's investing in this thing. This is a good prospect that we can outreach to. And she has this free webinar thing where she'll ask you to enter your email and register. So we can pitch her on emails. So just like that, in 10 minutes, we found 5 prospects. And all you have to do to find more is go back to this list and try different keywords and try different niches. And if you're going to say that, oh, I don't have any idea on what to write for these niches, how can I write for them? I don't know what they're about. So, like, bro, just spend 1 or 2 hours watching some of their YouTube videos. It's not that hard. So stop making excuses.